Now we will start practice set 2.2. In that first question, show that 4 root 2 is an irrational number. Proof. We will start. Let us assume 4 root 2 is a rational number. Therefore, a and b be co-prime number where b is not equals to 0. Here you can take any variable, p and q you can also take, but you have to write q is not equals to 0, such that 4 root 2 is equals to a upon b. A upon b is a rational number, and we are saying 4 root 2 is also a rational number. That's why I have written 4 root 2 is equals to a upon b. Now I will keep this root 2 here only, and I will take this 4 on that side of equals to, which will become in division 1 upon 4 into a upon b. Since a belongs to integer, b also belongs to integer, RHS is equals to 1 upon 4 into a upon b is a rational number. LHS is equals to root 2 is a rational number. But this contradicts the fact that root 2 is an irrational number. This contradiction arises because of our wrong assumption. What we have assumed? We assumed that 4 root 2 is a rational number. That means our assumption is wrong. Hence, we can say that 4 root 2 is an irrational number. Question number 2. Prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational. We will follow the same steps as we followed in the first question. We will first assume that this number is a rational number. See, let us assume 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Therefore, let a and b be co-prime number where b is not equals to 0, such that 3 plus root 5 is equals to a upon b. Here a upon b is a rational number. Therefore, root 5 is equals to a upon b. Now I am shifting this 3 on that side of equals to. So it will changes its sign, and it will become negative 3, that is minus 3. Since a belongs to integer, b belongs to integer, therefore RHS, which is equals to a upon b minus 3, is a rational number. LHS root 5 is a rational number, but this contradicts the fact that root 5 is an irrational number. This contradiction arises because of our wrong assumption that 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Therefore, assumption that 3 plus root 5 is a rational number is wrong. Therefore, 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Third question. Represent root 5 root 10 on the number line. First, we will draw a line L, origin, and numbers, integers, and we will name this 2 as A, and we will draw a perpendicular by using a set square of 90 degree, and then by using a compass we will open the compass of 1 unit, that is from 0 to 1, and then place it at 2 and make a arc and name it as a point B. Then join point O and B. Now you can see a right angle triangle is formed whose one side is 2 unit and another side is of 1 unit. Now you have to find this hypotenuse. You can use your Pythagoras theorem and you will find this hypotenuse OB. In the triangle OAB, by Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equals to OA square plus AB square, which is equals to 2 square plus 1 square equal. Therefore, OB square is equals to 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Therefore, OB is equals to root 5. hence we got the measurement of OB as a root 5. Now by taking compass, I will open the compass and take a length of OB and draw a arc and name it as a point C. Now the distance between O and C is root 5 and the coordinate of point C is what? Root 5. Now suppose if I take compass and measure this distance OC and mark on the left side of a number line and name it as C dash, then what this coordinate number will be? Can you find out? Yes, it will be minus root 5. Now we will show root 10 on a number line. There are two different ways. Let's see method 1. In this method, we will take the measurement of root 5, that is from O to C. Now take a set square and make a perpendicular on point C and take a arc. Take a compass and measure the distance of OC, which is root 5, and then keep the compass at point C and put an arc on the line and name it as D and then join OD. Now you can see you have a right angle triangle ODC. Now by applying Pythagoras theorem, you can find the distance of OD. In a triangle OCD, by Pythagoras theorem, OD square is equals to OC square plus CD square is equals to OC is how much? Root 5 square plus CD is how much? Root 5 square. Therefore OD square is equals to 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. Therefore OD is equals to root 10. Therefore we got the distance OD as root 10. Now by using a compass, we will measure the distance of OD and we will make a arc and name it as point M. Now this M is a coordinate of root 10. Now take the same distance and make an arc on the left hand side of a number line. What this M dash indicate? It will indicate minus root 10. Second method. In this method, on the number line, take the base of a triangle as a 3 cm and now keep the set square at point 3 and draw a perpendicular on point 3. Then take a arc and then take a compass and measure it for 1 unit, that is from 0 to 1, it is 1 unit. Then keep the compass at point P and make a arc on the line as shown in video and name it as Q and then join OQ. Now here you can see you have got a right angle triangle OPQ, whose one side is 3 unit and other side is 1 unit. In right angle triangle OPQ, by Pythagoras theorem, OQ square is equals to OP square plus PQ square, which is equals to 3 square plus 1 square, which is equals to 9 plus 1 equals to 10. Therefore OQ is equals to root 10 unit. Now the distance of OQ is how much? Root 10. Now again take compass and measure the distance of OQ and draw a arc and name it as M. So M coordinate denote the number root 10. See first figure and this is the second figure, method 1, method 2. Question number 4. Write any three rational numbers between the two numbers given below. First is 0.3 and minus 0.5. Solution. Since 0.3 is equals to 0.300 and so on, and minus 0.5 is equals to minus 0.500 and so on. Therefore, minus 0.4 is between in 0.3 and minus 0.5. Yes. Minus 0.2, 0, 0.1 and 0.2 are rational numbers between 0.3 and minus 2.3 and minus 2.33. Solution. Minus 2.3 is equals to minus 2.300 and so on, and minus 2.33 is equals to minus 2.3300 and so on. Therefore, minus 2.305 comma minus 2.307 comma minus 2.310 comma minus 2.315 comma minus 2.320 are rational numbers between minus 2.3 and minus 2.33. Third question. 5.2 and 5.3. 5.2 is equals to 5.2000 and so on, and 5.3 is equals to 5.300 and so on. Therefore, 5.21, 5.22, 5.25, 5.27, 5.28 are rational numbers between 5.2 and 5.3. Fourth, minus 4.5 and minus 4.6. Minus 4.5 is equals to minus 4.500 and so on, and minus 4.6 is equals to minus 4.600. Therefore, minus 4.51 comma minus 4.52 comma minus 4.53 comma minus 4.54 comma minus 4.55 comma minus 4.57 are the rational numbers between minus 4.5 and minus 4.6. So here you have completed practice set 2.1.